Well, take a look at the weather almanac here. We saw a high temperature yesterday of just 47 degrees. That was where we were at the start of the day, and we really just did not climb much. The reason was because of that dense fog that we never broke free from. Again, here in the valley, this was one of the only locations that did not at least get into the 50s, if not 60s. Those of you along the coast were in the 60s. Portland got up to 60. Down south got up into the 60s. Central Oregon, though, you were with us with your high temperatures only getting to the upper 30s. Now 54 is the average for this time of year. The record high 70. That'd be nice. I was set back in 1974. Didn't see any rainfall yesterday, and that deficit continued to climb over 14.5 inches below average for this point here in 2013. But we are making a bit of a dent in that number this morning. We've seen some heavy rain started just after midnight and has continued ever since. Temperatures right now in the mid-40s in the Southern Valley, 50 though in Roseburg, mid-50s there along the coast, and back down into the upper 30s for those of you in Central Oregon. So a strong cold front is making its way across Western Oregon today. You can see that heavy rain just to the east of the I-5 corridor. It continues from Medford all the way up to Seattle and is now making its way east of the Cascades as well. The brunt of the heaviest rain is actually behind us, and the rainfall total is impressive already this morning, over 1/4 inch here in Eugene. You picked up over a 1/10 there in Corvallis, just 1/100th in Eugene, and seeing over a 1/10 there in Newport as well. We'll continue to add to these rainfall totals, but only for the next couple of hours, because that storm, it's moving quickly. That cold front will be east of the Cascades this afternoon, and as you look offshore, there's actually quite a bit of blue sky, and behind this, we're not going to see clear skies, but what we will see is dry conditions for both Wednesday and Thursday. We'll see some high clouds overhead, and we'll likely see some fog forming here in the valley as well. But we won't see any rainfall until this next storm gets here, and that's going to happen Friday afternoon. So take a look at this stormcast over the next 24 hours. Again, the heaviest rain is already behind us. Still seeing some of that across the west slopes of the Cascades. But as we head into later this morning, 11:15, it's already tapering off quite significantly. A few scattered showers through lunchtime. Then as we head into this evening, those showers do wrap up pretty quickly. And by tomorrow morning, we'll be back to the fog and also back to the dry conditions here for Wednesday morning. And we'll stay that way again all the way through Friday morning. So for those of you along the coast, highs back to the mid to upper 50s. Again, those showers tapering off. Should be some nice sun breaks along the coast this afternoon. And winds will hold from the southwest there 5 to 10 miles per hour. The Umpqua Basin, again, still seeing those showers all the way through lunchtime, but clearing as we head into this afternoon and evening. Highs will get back to the upper 50s. The Cascades also on the warm side, mid-40s for high temperatures. That freezing level well above the pass is 7,500 feet. So not worrying about any snow. We will, though, coming up this weekend. Central Oregon, mid-50s for you. A few isolated showers, otherwise partly sunny this afternoon. And for the valley, highs in the mid-50s. We're seeing rain this morning. It's back to showers this afternoon. And again, over the next 7-day stretch, pretty quiet. We will see that next storm Friday. A few showers into Saturday. For those of you in the Umpqua Basin, temperatures do fall from the upper 50s to the low 50s by this weekend. And for the valley, mid-50s now, low 50s this weekend. Again, a few showers Friday night into Saturday, back to dry weather by Sunday.